Hey my dear friend, if you accidentally delete photos on your phone, don't worry, you can follow this guide easily recover it. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open your default gallery app. After that, look at the bottom right corner, find the menu button, simply tap on it. Here, you can find the trash or recycle bin, click on them. After this page, you can see all of the deleted photos and videos listed there. Simply find the exact photo or multiple photo. If you want to recover, simply tap on hold it. After that, you can select another images if you recover. After all of the images selected, simply look at the bottom left corner, click on restore all button or similar name, and you have successfully recovered the deleted photos your phone. Keep in mind this method only available 30 days before this image permanently delete. You cannot be recovered. The another way you want to recover your deleted image, don't worry, available to do that. Go back to home screen, open the app door. This time you can open the Google Photos app if you want to use this app. Now click on the collection option at the very bottom. After that, find the trash folder top right corner, click to open it. At the same process, you can see all of the deleted photos and videos listed there. Simply find the exact photo if you want to recover. For example, I am recovered this, so tap on select it, and you can select also other photos and videos if you recover. After you selected all of the item, tap on the restore button bottom left corner, then confirm it, and you have successfully done. That's is how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel guys.